Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to style my hair, or should I say how I was able to grow my 4C natural hair in just 5 minutes. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. As you can see guys, this actually looks like our natural 4C hair. It's a clipping extension from CurlsCurls hair company. I'm going to put the link and specs and everything that has to do with this clipping in the description box below. That being said guys, like as you guys can see, this clipping looks like our 4C hair. For those of you who don't like wearing the normal everyday wig, lace frontal wig and all those things, you like the natural look, this is definitely the way to go. It fits our natural hair perfectly. As you guys can actually see, it looks as if I just grew my hair in just 5 minutes. Like, it's amazing, and I'm totally in love with this clipping. Like, I'm so in love with the fact that it looks like my hair. It's amazing. My hair is really short, so if I just want to get a fuller look, this is definitely the way to go. I absolutely love it, and I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install it in just 5 minutes. Like, it didn't take time. I've actually used this clipping before. I think everyone should invest in something like this if you have a 4C natural hair and you don't have time to always make your hair. I think this is the perfect way to go, and you want to have the natural hair look as well. This is definitely the perfect way to go. So what I did is that I've used this before. So I just brought out the clipping and I sprayed a little bit of water on it. You make sure you spray water on it. If you have time, you can apply your leave-in conditioner, of course, to moisturize the clipping. And at intervals too, if you use it a lot, make sure you wash it and then dry it and then moisturize it with your leave-in conditioner and a little bit of hair cream, just a little bit of hair oil or something like that. The next time when you want to use it, if it's dry, you just spray water on it and then just brush it off, comb it out with your fingers, and you're good to go again. You have absolutely nothing to lose with this type of hair. And definitely make sure if you get this hair, first thing you should do is to wash it. Make sure you wash it first before you start using it. It's very important. Let me stop blabbing and let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so guys, this is the packaging of the hair. Like I said earlier on, this is the second time I'm using this hair. So but if you get something like this, it's very advisable that you wash it. So that's why I'm just showing you guys. This is from the first time I used it, so I made sure I washed it the first time I got the hair. With this type of extension, clipping extension, you can use it countless times. You can use it for so many years. It depends on maintenance, you know. That's why I'm stressing it that you guys should definitely wash it when you just receive it before you start using it. And at interval, of course, wash it as well. So there's no need for cornrow. If you don't know how to cornrow, it's okay. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. So before that, I decided to do a middle part first. So after doing the middle part, I'm gonna bring out some hair in front as well, you know, to give it a more natural look. And then I'm just gonna put the rest of my hair in a low ponytail. Anybody can do this, like seriously. So now I'm just gonna start putting on the clippings. I think I ended up using about 8 clippings or so. But the clipping is up to 12, so you can use all if you want a more fuller look. So now I'm done with the clipping. I'm just trying to take out my cornrow and then create the middle part and try to blend it with the clippings. As you guys can see, it actually looks like our hair, like it's crazy, seriously. And yes guys, this is what it looks like. It actually looks like a fuller version of my hair, my natural hair, and it's amazing. Seriously, I absolutely love it. And you can try so many different styles with this clipping. I just had to put this hair accessory on it. You can put a beautiful, more colorful hair accessory or hair a scarf or whatever you have at home, and it will still be great. And I just decided to put this pin on the hair as well, and it actually turned out very beautiful as well. There's so many things you can do with this clipping, like it's just amazing. So right here, I just want to take the hair, all to the back. So I just decided to change the position of the clippings, and I'm just going to put all my hair to the back as well. And then here I decided to do a side pattern. I'm just going to take off some of the clippings and then reposition my pattern, and then install the clippings and blend it with my natural hair, and I'm good to go. And yes guys, that's just it. I absolutely love this clipping. I love the styles, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.